You want to pet the shark?
No, I'm just going on. Oh, it's moving. Ah! Oh, look at the fin. Oh, it's so big. I didn't know.
It is big. Look at the stingray. Look how big that stingray is. Okay, Shanti. Hello, everyone. This is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. Right here I have my lemongrass. And what I noticed today was when I was trimming them, I noticed old cuttings from the lemongrass that are still here. I cut the lemongrass about 3 months ago, and the lemongrass cuttings are still here. This lemongrass got about almost 6 feet tall, and I cut it back, and I have been looking for a good carbon source for my compost pile, and I believe I found it. This is amazing carbon if it stays around this long. It will be a great addition, in my opinion, to my compost pile. So I cut a whole bunch of the lemongrass again, and instead of tossing it out, I'm going to keep it and add it to my compost pile. This compost pile has been settling for quite some time. It is 2 feet underground and currently 3 feet above ground. So adding this lemongrass, I believe, is going to be a great source of carbon and will be a great addition to this compost pile that is currently too high on the nitrogen. Alright, everyone. Happy gardening. Bye.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and